Okay, so here's the hair now that it has officially dried. You guys can see these curls are absolutely beautiful. Like, look at that. This lets me know that this is a really good hair. When the curls aren't the same, then you know. But as far as this lace, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. There's still some things that I can like work on, but being that I have not put on a wig in months, this is beautiful. Okay, this hair is gorgeous. I am excited about this hair and what it has to give going into the new year with a new look. Look at that. It's so freaking soft and bouncy. It's so bouncy. I cannot. Okay, we're gonna get straight into it. Let's get that out the way. Inside the package, you guys seen that it came with 2 wig caps, so I'm gonna put one of these on. I be having to smell the wig. Okay, can't see now. I get that you guys be wanting it to look like y'all some burglars, but I can't see. I get anxiety. I be like, oh nah, I can't see. I can't breathe. Get me out of here. I used to hate stockings simply because of they always running somewhere. Like, where you going? Where you off to so soon? I look crazy. Y'all don't be feeling stupid with these on? Or is it just me? There we go. There we go. Get her out of there. So I just recently went to Ulta and I was just probably just trying out some new hair products just because, you know, we're doing something new on my channel, and I honestly just wanted to jump in with the best of the best products. So I found this. This is Bedhead. This is the Hard Head Hairspray Extreme Hold. Now this is supposed to be better than the Makeupsy, and honestly in size, look at how much bigger that bottle is. This is wider, so of course it makes it look a little bit more bigger, but based off of the numbers, this is way bigger than this. So this is only 11.7 ounces, and this one is 12 ounces, 340 grams. So technically this one is bigger, this one is just taller. I've been watching a couple of videos where they say, oh my god, it's so much bigger. Honestly, it's not, it's just taller. Honestly, the reviews saying that this is so much better. It smells better, it lays your hair down a little bit better, that it doesn't leave a white residue. Well, like this, I know I've been using Makeupsy for so long, so honestly I had to try this because I'm a Makeupsy girl. So this is supposed to be the good stuff. So I'm going to be using this to basically hold down my wig cap, and let's just see how it works just on this alone, and then we can pretty much tell how she's gonna do with, you know, the actual hair. So let's get into this real quick. This didn't want to come off. So I found that hot does not work really well with this at all. And I have a very low hairline, so I'm gonna have to really work it with this one. And then I'll just put it to the back. I need to use my razor and basically cut off the rest because it's not Those scissors is not giving. It ain't giving me nothing. What a waste of time. First, you guys want to make sure that you're putting on your skin protecting for the glue. You want to make sure that you're properly taking care of your edges. I'm also going to be cleaning my hair with this, my edges with 99% alcohol. I'm gonna go ahead and start the first layer of this, just so that way I can make sure that my wig cap is tightly secured. And so now that she is on and nice and secure, I'm going to be taking my two foundations. I got it a little lighter since I've been using this. This is Full Spectrum by CoverGirl. This is the Matte Ambition collection. You guys know, if you've been following me for a while, you know that this is all I use. This is my holy grail. Honestly, I don't even know if they still sell this, to be honest. I actually bought all of them when I was at Walgreens, but so I'm just going to be going ahead and blending this in on my cap. Once that is done, we're going to get ready and start on the actual wig. So let's go. Okay, so we're bald. I just want to make sure that she's not too far up, too far back. And as I'm looking at it, we're right on the money. I'm going to cut off my ear tabs. The same thing that I did for my wig cap, I'm going to be doing for the inside of this wig with the same brush, same products. Everything's still the same. So I'm just basically taking my brush and going on the inside of the wig. Right now, I just put that foundation on it, and guys, you don't see absolutely nothing in this wig. It looks practically invisible. And I'm gonna see how she looks now. So yes, she's looking so much better from the first time. What I'm gonna do is already cut my little sections. This is going to be for the center. It's all ready to go. So let's just move it back. And let's start applying this glue. So as I mentioned, this is the Bold Hold Cream Extreme by the Hair Diagram. I'm just going to be applying 3 layers of this and letting it dry completely. You want to make sure that it's dried completely, because if you don't, honey, it's either going to look a hot, gooky mess, or you're going to let that thing dry and do what it needs to do, and it's going to look a flawless. Let it dry, sis. Take your time. Ain't nothing else to do. Maybe get up on your phone, get up on TikTok a little bit. Let it dry. I'm going to be blow drying in between just so I don't have to be waiting for too long, but nevertheless, let's get started. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start in the center first, and it's all gonna come down. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place her down. So I'm gonna take my comb. So what I'm gonna do is take my roll of elastic. I actually got this from the fabric store a very long time ago, so I honestly don't know how much this was, but it beats paying for, you know, 1 and then to get it all stretched out and stuff. So I'm just gonna be cutting me off some. Now you have to be really mindful of how much you cut off, because honestly this stuff gets tight. So this hair is really soft. I've been having it in these 2-strand twists for about a day now, a full day, and honestly it is super soft. Oh my gosh, really soft and bouncy. It is so soft and full. Right now I'm gonna get ready and style it a little bit, get it nice and flat, so that way I can wrap it up and let's see how it looks. Right there. I'm just gonna put a little bit more glue, and I'm just gonna take my foundation brush and we're just gonna run right over that. Look at that. Oh my god, that looks absolutely beautiful. Do you see that? Let me get up close. Let me zoom in for you guys. More lace. Okay, so I just went ahead and retied it again just to lay down these edges one last time, and I'm going to use my hop comb. This is just a little cheap hop comb I got from the beauty supply. It's by this red by Kiss, and it's a really good one. Honestly, I'd say quality over quantity any day. Renutrient Slick Stick. Ooh, got a little bit on my eyebrow. We need to get these curls back popping. There's no shedding. I mean, absolutely no shedding. Was bleaching the knots and I was combing it out, so I don't see nothing on this table. There's absolutely no shedding. I am just completely impressed with the quality of this hair. So this is dry and this is wet. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at those curls, like curls for the girls. So I'm just gonna finish this side and then I'll be back. Okay, so she is all wet. Let me show you guys the back. Okay, so now that I just basically got the curls back together and they're drying at this point, now let's see how she looks since she laid down for the second time. Wow. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. She's giving what she needs to give. Like I said, no baby hairs, very minimalist. I already have my little hairs out and about. I'm just gonna give you guys an up close flash on. This hair right here is Jerry Curl Natural Black. This is 26 inches and it is absolutely beautiful. This is the first curly wig I've had in a while that actually has me like freaking lost for words. Hope you guys enjoyed this whole, you know, wig tutorial. I haven't did a wig tutorial. Actually, I haven't did a tutorial in a very long time. It's just, as some of you guys know, my, you know, loyal subscribers, my loyal supporters, I really appreciate you guys reaching out on Instagram and things like that just to see how I was doing. I thought you guys forgot about me, but I am back and I am better. I will have more videos on the way, so be sure to look out for that. This hair is from Yolova Hair. Thank you, Yolova Hair, for sending me this hair. If you guys want to purchase this hair, you guys can check them out on Instagram at Yolova_official, or you guys can go on their website at www.yolova.com. and I also have a discount code. I will be sure to put that in the link below, or I will probably have it on the screen somewhere over here. But thank you guys again for watching this video, and I hope that you guys learned a couple of new techniques. But I am happy with the way this turned out. It is absolutely beautiful. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment on my video. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell, and what I always say, bye.